regarding about Russia and China, they're these, I told you before that the SEC is cracking down on these Chinese public companies. Why is it okay for them not to report, but every other company that's public has to report? And I brought up before, we all know about LK Coffee. We saw what happened with the copycat Starbucks. Stock got crushed. Boom, took a lot of people out. They all lied. So all that stuff happened, and it's trickling down, and now you're seeing all these stocks getting really beat up. But NEO has not only been a good short on a day trade, but it's been a phenomenal short on a swing trade, and everything else. Baidu, all of them. You know, they're all taking the all big hits. Baidu especially, you can see all of these stocks. All right, so what's moving this morning? We're going to keep an eye on that. So hopefully you're getting prepared, hoping for the best, but always preparing for the worst. Okay, let's look at some stocks that are moving this morning. So we know about HYMC. We have another one that showed up, GFAI. So this stock right here was a nice move yesterday. She's moving again this morning. It was a little bit more of an expensive stock, $4. Took a big hit, went down to 50 cents, but she's been moving the last couple of days. We traded this a couple of times. Nice spread, unbelievable volume, 7.7 million shares. So that one looks like a nice little pre-market mover for some of you that have been trading this morning, and she's doing pretty well. Another stock right here, EXN. Last couple of days, like just what happened yesterday, nice little move. She's moving again this morning. We'll put this stock on the watch list. We traded it back on Friday. She's back in the move. We're throwing this on the watch list. NEO is going back on the short list. That stock is just obviously breaking lower lows. For some of you, you could see it's breaking a 52-week low. So you got to go back from last year, and guess what? There is support levels. Somebody remember this stock. It was as low as $3.60. Okay. Damn, that looks pretty bad from 60. So I know some of these stocks are on some funds, and a lot of people are really concerned about them, that they're having them, but I don't see any sign of it coming back anytime soon. All right, GTLB. Here's another stock after hours. Looks more of like an earnings play, but this stock obviously had a really gap up from 33 to 39. The stock was $137. You could see that the stock took a really big hit lately. It's one of the first days up. It is going to be a little volatile. Spread's a little big. Volume is pretty good. Probably more of a category 4 stock, but it's going on the watch list for some of you. Advanced traders might be up your alley. The stock is getting crushed. COUP, damn it, down $25, down 28%. $270 stock. Wow, all the way down to 64. How much lower could it go? You know what? You got to go back all the way to 2017. Boom, probably test this price right around here, around these. Oh, I'm sorry, we're down to 60s. What am I talking about? We can get down into 50s with this stock right here. I tried to bring it up. Let me check over here on level 4. Oh, NEO just got a nice little pop. Look at that. Somebody just came in there and just bid this stock up right here. Let me go bring up and see what COUP is doing. COUP on the level 4 on COUP. We got going on here. Yeah, we got a 65,000 share seller right here. He just posted up. He just showed up right here, and does not look well. Does not look well. Got a couple of buyers out here on 4,000. No real big major iceberg orders, So remember, it's going to be, this one automatically is going to be a category 4, maybe even a 5. And some of you are still stuck at 1 and 2. Another stock that is getting crushed, one of the ETFs, YINN, not doing too well on that one. Another stock that's getting hammered. Oh, what do you know? A China stock, huh? What do you think? FXI, $37 stock down to 25, still getting hammered right there. These are all Chinese stocks. Baba, not doing too well. Nice little short, Just shows you the power of money. How these stocks, obviously, that one little news is going on. And by the way, I don't know if you guys heard about this. Did you hear what Russia said about all the companies that bailed out, all the U.S. companies? If any of the they're basically, this is pretty scary. They're going to basically confiscate all those corporations, companies, and if they catch any of these CEOs or anybody else that is still there, they're automatically imprisoning them. So this is going to get a little nasty. Listen, nobody likes to lose. Nobody wants egg on their face, and everyone's going to go down with the ship. So I think you're going to see a hell of a lot more volatility we're going to have in the market. So let's, but I'm just focusing, selling into the rallies. If you look here on the Dow, it's just not looking pretty. It looks like lower lows. All right. And we got a lot more room to go. So if something happens, look at the ETFs, look at some of the big ETFs, the triple shorts, those all those stocks are probably what you're going to have to look at. Anything I'm missing, cyber traders? I did not call out. Before we get ready for the market open up, we got about 15 minutes. All right. I think that pretty much does it. Listen, we always have more stocks that will pop up out of the blue. So if something shows up, we'll go out there, we'll share it with you in the trading room. This is just what we found in pre-market. We always know something always comes out of the blue, and that's what we'll focus on. And if you see something, say something. Today, also at 4 o'clock, we got open house here, closing bell every week here, every Tuesday. So for some of you that want to learn about trading, if you miss it, just register, and we'll be able to get you. We'll get you registered. And also, we have Traders Talk in the Cyber Group room. So please don't log out if you're a trader in the Cyber Group room. Traders Talk with Josh every Tuesday here at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So we'll see you then. So you got a lot of education going on. So let's make our money and then move on and then get ready to learn, because you got to learn before you can earn. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe. And we'll see you all back here at 2:30.